Hello everyone, welcome back to Laura's Tech Time. I have something new and special for you today. I have a new subscription box, Breo box. It is a quarterly subscription box and it's supposed to have a lot of different neat gadgets in here, so let's check it out. So I've never had one of these before, so don't really know what to expect. It's a big box. It's pretty. Oh, it's green and it matches my shirt. What it looks like. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see what it's all in here. Right. Oh, cool. Wrinkles on the go. That's neat. Great travel companion. Seal blast steam fights wrinkles on the go. This could be really useful. So it's got like a little brush head. I like that. That's cool. Next one. Better Nights. What's that? Dusk to Dawn anti-blue LED light for better sleep. It's like a night light? Yeah, it's a night light. Minimizes blue light exposure. Okay. What else? Flip over for coffee, flip again for tea. Dual purpose pot, great for tea or coffee. Interesting. Coffee dripper and tea infuser. The book shows how to use everything. I'm not going to look at it all yet because I haven't looked at everything in the box. AirFly Duo. Connect 2 wireless headphones at once. Connects 2 pairs of wireless headphones to 1 headphone jack. Oh, okay. So you and a friend can both listen to headphones at the same time. That's neat. Enjoy music, movies, and entertainment with a friend. I love these boxes. These are always neat surprises. This box has a lot of neat surprises in it. It's a quarterly subscription box. So here's the instructions. There's something else here. Okay, cool. Definitely gonna try this out. I'm gonna try all of these out and let you guys know what I think. And I'm not done. I still have more in here. True wireless earbuds. These are LSTN, I guess that's Listen True Wireless Earbuds. It's a cute little case. Alright, I'm definitely going to try these out and let you guys know what I think about them. These boxes are so much fun. I like how this one has a lot in it to open at a time. I have 2 more things in here. Your personal posture trainer. That's cool. I've seen stuff like this. I've never used it. Ready, set, go. Here's instructions. Some other things. I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know what I think. These boxes are so much fun because it's things that I probably didn't even know about. So it's cool. That's why I signed up for boxes like this, so I could get surprises and try them out and share with you guys. My last one. I got one more. UV sanitizing wand. Kills 99% of germs, viruses, and bacteria. That is very cool. Alright guys, that is everything in the box. Is it? It's not. I thought it was. Is it? Yeah, it is. It's just this one. I got everything. It's everything in the box. So, these are nice surprises. I'm going to try them out and let you guys know what I think about them. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, hit the like button. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.